In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching product in Kajabi. By the end, you'll have a clear, polished coaching product ready to sell and deliver. Start by logging into your Kajabi admin dashboard and heading to Products, then select Coaching. This is the dedicated area for building coaching experiences, so everything you need will live here. Click the button to create a new coaching program. Depending on your view, it might say New Coaching Program, Get Started, or you may choose New Product and then Coaching. They all take you to the same setup flow. Next, add the basics for your coaching product. Give it a clear, benefit-driven title that a client would instantly understand. You can optionally include a coach name if you're highlighting a specific coach, and write a short description to set expectations and outcomes. You can also add a thumbnail image. Choose something clean and on-brand so it looks great wherever it appears. When you're done, click Continue. Now choose the format. Select 1-1. Coaching if you're working with individual clients, or group coaching if you'll be meeting with multiple clients at once. If you're setting up a package rather than a single session, specify how many sessions are included. This helps you and your clients track progress and know exactly what's included in the program. Set your scheduling and meeting preferences. Kajabi can manage scheduling with its built-in tools and support live video, or you can connect third-party options like Calendly for scheduling and Zoom or Google Meet for video. If you already have a system that works, you can use manual booking or paste a custom link. Whichever route you choose, confirm your time zone, duration, and availability, and make sure clients receive clear confirmation details. It's a good idea to run a quick test booking to ensure everything flows the way you expect. Customize the appearance of your coaching product page so it matches your brand. Choose your primary and accent colors, and, if you didn't already, set a thumbnail image that will represent your offer. Consistent colors and a sharp image help build trust and recognition. Finally, connect pricing by creating or attaching a Kajabi offer that includes this coaching product. The offer controls how people purchase and gain access, whether that's a one-time payment or another structure. Once your offer is linked, save your changes and finish setup. That's it. Your coaching product is ready to preview and share. When you're happy with everything, publish and start inviting clients in.